Hey there, want more purchasing power and a lower credit utilization ratio? Requesting a credit limit increase on your Chase credit card can help, and doing it the right way improves your chances. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to request it. Log into your Chase online account, navigate to your credit card account, and look for the Account Services or More Options menu. Find Credit Limit Increase and follow the prompts. You'll be asked about your annual income and monthly housing payment. Chase will typically do a soft credit pull, which doesn't hurt your score, to make a decision, often instantly. My crucial pro tip: only request an increase if your finances are solid. Make sure you have a history of on-time payments with Chase and a low balance on the card you're asking about. Don't request an increase if you've recently applied for other credit or are carrying high debt. That's the strategic approach to growing your available credit responsibly. Have you successfully requested a credit limit increase before? What was your experience? Tell me below. For more guides on managing credit wisely, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.